Hello guys, my name is Chase and I am on the 14659 Pleiades Robotics team. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about our drone launcher. To start off, the way our drone actually launches is we use this surgical tubing bands right here, and we can adjust the length on the inside on where we attach them, and then they come back here and is held by the lever. To hold the drone in place, we have two rails that guide the drone on the way out, and we also have a lid, that way it can move around without the drone falling out. For a servo release, the servo pulls it back and launches the drone, and then it comes back down, that way it can fit back under the bars. I'm going to talk to you guys about our drone iterations. So we went through many processes of testing a bunch of different drones with the robot and like building a bunch of different ones. Ben went through, one of our team members, Ben, he went through a whole process of making like 20 different types of drones, and then Clara, another one of our team members, and me tested a bunch of those drones, different ones. We ended up using this one right here. This one right here has a nice weighted down nose, which allows it to go downwards. It also has nice wing designs, which are sturdy, and then the backing right here gets damaged almost every time we launch it, like all drones, so we had to make very many of them. We have to write our team numbers on them. We also have this special drone right here. His name is Smiley, and the reason is because this drone right here got us two 30-point scores in 2 different games in a row for semifinals, which is a massive improvement for scoring for our team to almost win.